May Mendoza update. Magkasama sila Main at Arjo dyan sa baby shower nila Ria at Sanjo. Yan pa yung mga picture na magkasama Main at Arjo dyan sa baby shower. Kasama ang family at Aide. Excited na sila. May pa-message sila Main at Arjo.
We're also happy for the both of you.
Ria at Sanjo.
And we're excited, especially for you, Ria. Like we all know that you'll be a great mom, just as you are a great sister to everyone, a great friend to everyone, just a great person to everyone. So we can't wait, like to meet the little baby. And Sanjo, congratulations also and happy birthday.
Naiiyak siya. Naiiyak ka ba?
Naiiyak ako kasi sobrang saya ko for this.
Akala ko sa galing mag-English.
Naiyak din ako sa yung anxiety ko talaga, as in over the top. You know, I'm not used to this.
Ako naiiyak din ako pag paubos na yung English ko.
Pero yun, congratulations guys. Like, we can't wait to meet the baby Z.
We're very happy to have you in the family, very blessed to have another brother. And like I always tell Rian, of course, this is the first of the pamangkins ever for our generation, so we're very much blessed. And I'm pretty sure, like what everyone is, confident about, is you guys will be great parents, and there's no doubt. And we're just all right behind you all throughout the way. And as a brother, as a friend, as a best friend, we'll always be right behind you. So I love you guys so much. Congratulations.
Thank you all. Thank you, Main. Thank you. Iyak talaga yun.
Habang nasa baby shower din si Main. Welcome dito Alberto, baby shower. Just kanila. Dalawang baby shower ang pinuntahan niya.
Don't show anybody who you are. The turtles wear their and we wear them. Oh my God! Wow!
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, 4 watch.